Oh, it's fucking raining now. Go camping, they say. It'll be fun, they say. Hey guys, thanks for coming back for my very improvised camping trip story. For those who are new here, my name is Shirley. I'm a Sydney-based YouTuber recording my life events combining helpful mental health and relationship tips. If you enjoy seeing another awkward human being staggering through a perfectly imperfect life, then please hit the subscribe button. I won't let you down in the staggering part. So this part of the story, as promised, I'm showing you how the actual camping went while I was struggling with a bit of anxiety episode. So it went almost stress-free, almost. But then again, what is my life without some mild forms of drama? So here we go. So it took us 2 hours in the morning frantically loading all the camping gears in the car, including camping essentials, non-essentials, travel toiletry bag, flannel shirts, and what's camping without some flannel shirt? And things you don't need but gives you a false sense of safety and home. In my case, it's my hair curler. Now this is just 1% of the things that I packed. My phone! Those are clouds in the sky. 3 hours ride from Sydney to the campsite, 1 hour of which is driving in the jungle without GPS. And we really need to utilize the daylight to find the campsite. As if these are not stressful enough, it started raining. Oh, it's fucking raining now. Road conditions started to deteriorate. And we came to a stop at a four-wheel drive water crossing. At this point, we can't find his friend. We only have 1 hour daylight. And Scott decided to ditch our little station wagon and walk across the water to see if his friend's there, as we're really not so sure about the exact location. I think I heard something. Because they camp in the middle of nowhere. Did you yell again? While I'm waiting for Scott to come back, my anxious mind is calculating 10 different ways this could go horribly wrong. We're really lucky to find his friend, and we got towed by the four-wheel drive across the water to the campsite. Are you driving as well? Are you sure it's gonna be okay? This is next level crazy. Now that was cool. We made it. Pretty cool. By the time we properly settled our tent by a creek, it started to get really dark and the bush started to get really misty. There is a wonderful and magical moment when all my worries suddenly being lifted. Hi, Cougar. Watching this dog napping by the campfire is just a whole mood. I know! Especially when you put side by side with the big one, it looks funny. Yeah, try to do that.
I've been gone for quite some time.
Why though, just in there?
What? Where?
I just heard it, it's right.
That's a lyrebird?
That's right.
Oh my god, it's just over there, I think. Waking up by the sound of the water trickling over rocks. So day 2, I was just camping. Just enjoy the nature, without any particular agenda or purpose in mind. In retrospect, it is so therapeutical.
Time can't heal. I've got cooler shoes on and a nicer coat. Things that you can't steal.
Thank you, girl. Oh, hi.
It's a good morning, mister. It's a good morning just for all the finer things in life. It's not so black and white. It's a good morning, mister. It's a good morning just for it's a perfect day to be alive. It's a perfect
I won't even try.
mister. It's a good morning just for all the finer things in life. It's not so black and white. It's a good morning, mister. It's a good morning just for it's a perfect day to be alive. It's a perfect day to be alive.
She's happy. So it's 4 o'clock in the afternoon, and to drive back in Sydney takes another three hours. I can see that there are a lot of clouds in the sky, so it looks like it's gonna rain very soon. So we really don't wanna, because we don't have a four-wheel drive, we only have a station wagon, so we don't want to get stuck in the mountain if the weather condition change and become really bad. So we're just gonna head out this region and drive back to Sydney now. I had a wonderful time. Everything turns out to be a lot better than I expected, and I feel a lot more refreshed and relaxed. So finger crossed we won't have any issue go across that river again. Let's see how that goes. Oh! Oh! What? On our way home, we encountered a big storm. I remembered reading this somewhere. Anxiety is like a storm. You can't control it, you can't fight it, you just have to ride it as it is. And know that even when you're in the center of it, it is difficult to believe, but the storm will pass. And after that, you will see the most beautiful sunset.
Taxi's waiting, he's blown his horn dog. Ready and so lonesome I could die. So kiss me and smile for me. Tell me that you're
So that's my camping story.
hold me like
Until next time, and be kind to yourself.